Have you ever wondered how to get the ultimate response from an AI language model like ChatGPT? Well, in this video, we will show you how. First, it's important to ask a clear and specific problem. The more specific your problem is, the better response you will receive. As an example, let's say you want to know how to make a chocolate cake. Instead of asking how do I make a cake, be more specific and ask what is the recipe for a chocolate cake. Second, provide context. AI language models like ChatGPT rely on context to provide accurate responses. The more information you provide, the better response you will receive. As an example, let's say you want to start a business in food industry and you want to know how. Then ask it from ChatGPT like, I'm considering opening a business in the food industry and I wanted to get some advice on how to create an effective marketing strategy for my new venture. I have already conducted some research on my target audience and competitors, but I am not sure where to start with marketing. What are some effective marketing strategies that I should consider for my new business? Likewise. Third, use natural language. Avoid using technical jargon or overly complex language that may be difficult to ChatGPT to understand. As an example, consider this type of prompt. This prompt involves some complex words such as microservice architecture, containerizations, and Kubernetes. Likewise, avoid this type of word. So instead of that prompt, use this type of prompt by avoiding that complex words and make it easier to understand for ChatGPT. Then ChatGPT will give you better response than other one. Even though there is some complex words, ChatGPT give you a result according to the prompt. But it's better to use natural language for your prompt. It will give you a better result than this. So remember, use natural language like this. Next, experiment with different prompts to see which one generates the most accurate and relevant response. You can also iterate and refine your prompts based on the response you receive from ChatGPT. Here we have some examples. First, I asked for some torrent sites using this prompt. I asked it directly like this, give me some torrent sites. But ChatGPT wasn't respond well. And it said I can't give that sites because it is illegal. Then I asked it again. Also, it was not work. Then I asked it again. Bingo. It has worked. And ChatGPT gives some sites. Like that, you can experiment through several prompts. Here we have another example. I asked ideas to success using two types of prompts. So ChatGPT gave two types of response. So we can combine them both and can make an ultimate response through those. Likewise, we can experiment through several types of prompt and get ultimate result from the ChatGPT. Be open-minded. While AI language models like ChatGPT can provide general information and insights, they are not a substitute for professional advice or guidance. So, you should have some basic knowledge on what you ask from ChatGPT. From help of your own understanding, you can get an ultimate response from ChatGPT. ChatGPT is designed to provide general information and insights, but it is not suitable for professional advice or guidance. So please keep an open mind and use your own judgment when making decisions based on ChatGPT responses. As an additional method, if your problem is big or more complex, it is better to break down the problem into smaller, more manageable parts. Identify the key aspects of the problem, such as financial, logistic, or technical challenges. Then ask ChatGPT for help in addressing each part. ChatGPT can provide guidance and support in developing solutions, prioritizing tasks, and finding resources. By breaking down your problem into key parts and seeking ChatGPT's assistance, you can make progress towards solving even the most complex challenges like this way. Next, choose the right keywords that are related to your objective. These keywords will help ChatGPT understand the context of your questions and generate a more accurate response. By using prompt engineering in this way, you can increase the likelihood of getting the ultimate response from ChatGPT. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Give me your valuable feedbacks in the comment section and stay tuned with me. Good luck.